Okay, back from sleepy time. Let's put our ore right there. Also put the electrical dust right there, because why not? What is that sound outside? Spider or something? Or what do we have here? Is it another one of those things? Huh. Weird. Okay, we've got gold ready. So let's pour out 4 blocks of it. And then we can make that golden bag of holding, I think. Let's pour this out and we'll take a look at the recipe. Okay, bag of holding. Awesome, we just need a chest, block of gold, some wool, and a diamond. Well, we've got wool. What is this reincarnating one? Like, I know that we don't have magical wood, though, so... Well, we could make magical wood. That might be useful. As Easy Terry said, we could use soulbound, but that might be good as well. I mean, we can try and make some books and see if we can get soulbound with what we have, but otherwise we can make magical wood, and we're going to have to make enchanted books anyway to do the soulbound. So let's search soulbound real quick. Nope. So we're just going to have to make an anvil and enchant it. Or we'll have to make an anvil for the attaching the book. Right now we need an enchantment table. Okay. So that's not going to be too hard to get. We're going to have to use 2 of our diamonds to get the enchantment table, though. And I think we have obsidian. We'll see if we have obsidian. Let's grab this. And first we'll make the golden bag of holding regardless. Because I think that will be very useful for us to hold more items. So, do we have wood on us? No. We have wood in here, though. Okay. So let's make a chest. So we're going to need 3 wood of these, because they only give us 3 planks instead of 4. Make a chest real quick. Awesome. We've got wool. Let's put those in the corners. Block of diamond, or gold. Is that in the middle or in the bottom? I'm not sure. Let's Alright, and then 2 gold and the diamond up top. So let's grab our diamond. And we'll grab 2 things of gold. Put this block up here. And I think this should enable us to carry a double chest worth of stuff with us at all times. So, what did I mess up? Block of gold. Okay, there we go. Golden bag of holding. Fantastic. So if we just right click on this, we have our golden bag of holding, which we can store stuff in. So let's put our fuel gathering supplies in there so they won't get in the way. Yeah, that is awesome. So now we'll be able to carry more stuff with us without having to worry about things in the future. Let's see if we can use, we can make some books. We don't have any leather, so we'll see if we can make it with patterns. We can. Do we have a lot of string, though, is the only thing. Let's see how much string and or leather we have. Not seeing any leather right there. We got some string. We could also use some stuff from wool to turn wool into string, most likely. So we can make a ton of patterns. Let's take a look at the recipe for string. Oh, no. Okay, well. String, we can use flax, or we can use a wool gin. Macerator, crusher, do we have any of those yet? I don't think so. Let's see what we can do. The wool gin is just sticks and an iron coil. Iron and a draw plate. What is a draw plate? Block of iron post, diamond. What? Well, that's interesting. I think we'll hold off on that though. Let's see if we can put it in the quartz grindstone. Does not look like it, unfortunately. We can get a crusher though at some point. That won't be a big deal. Or we might have... Actually, I think we have one out here. Oxygen collector, circuit fabricator, crusher. Okay, yeah, so let's just crush up some of these to get us some string, and we can use all of these levels we have to make some enchantments. Perfect. Use some of this wood we have. Check up on the quarry here in a second. But, yeah. Oh, I brought the wood inside. Okay. So, let's, make a ton of patterns so we can make some, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or 4, whatever. Come on. Alright. Now let's make some patterns to make some books. Nice. So, make 9 books out of this stuff. So let's go ahead right there. Oh, more string. Perfect. Let's grab these sugar canes. I'm sure we have more around. Let's just use what we have right now, though. Perfect. 36. That should give us 12 books, which should be fine for level 1 enchants. So now, let's see if we have any obsidian around here. Actually, we might not, since we don't have any. Well, let's grab a bucket. Where's our buckets? We got pulsating iron. I guess that should be in this chest, not there. I don't even remember getting the pulsating iron, though. Graphite bar. We like graphite bars for big reactors, if we want to do that. I guess we can just make another bucket. We have enough iron. Lapis, grab that back up. I'm going to get some water using this and pour it in the quarry, so if there's any lava down there, it'll turn into obsidian, which we can hold. So let's go back to the farm. First we'll take a look at this quarry. It's moving, so we're okay. Grab that up. Perfect. Break these down. And we'll drop on down here. Eventually we'll probably make an elevator block so we can just go up and down. Or we could begin railcraft so that we can use some powered rails to get us up and down. Alright, so we'll just pour that out. The nice thing about the water is that it will turn any obsidian or any lava into obsidian. Alright, so since we have so much cobblestone, we'll go and make ourselves the cache. I could put it in our bag of holding and grabbed more from there, but I think we'll be alright waiting a few seconds. So the cache, if I believe, is just tin in a chest. Okay, so the cache is just tin and a block of wood. Okay, let's see if the higher level ones. Okay, we have to use the lower ones to make higher level ones. Except for these, we need hardened glass. Okay, this one we could use Fanver and tin, or we could just use. Okay, so yeah, it's the same exact thing. I think we'll start with the lower one since we don't really need it too predominantly at the moment. So let's just put this ore over here. Grab ourselves some tin. Grab 8 so we can make 2 of them. Put these on in here. Split that on up, put some wood. Hopefully rubber wood works. No, it doesn't. We're going to use some different type of wood. Non-modded wood. Do we have any wood around? More rubber. Okay, we've got one birch, so that might... Or dark oak. Dark oak is technically vanilla. And we've got a cache. Perfect. So we'll put that up over here next to the building blocks so that we can just fill up with cobblestone. Do I have to right click with it? Okay, perfect. Just putting all the cobblestone we have in there. Let's go ahead and grab all this stuff out. Okay, let's fill that up. Yeah, we're doing, it'll hold 10,000 of this, so this should be just perfect for our needs. Clear up a lot of the stockpile. A little bit more expensive than barrels, but a nice addition to our house. Let's go ahead and go to sleep. Alright, fantastic. So I guess we could use some of the lava that we have here to turn into blocks. So let's see if we have any more buckets lying around, because I don't want to keep wasting iron for such things. We'll leave. I don't want to mess with trying to get your wool, so we got 3. I think we only need 5 obsidian for the enchantment table. So let's go ahead and make 5 obsidian. So let's grab 3 buckets of lava. Okay. Now, if I break this and place the lava right there, I think we should be fine. So let's break this. Pour the lava. Yep. And I believe this should be able to harvest it, the bronze. I could be wrong, though. Our steel should probably do it as well. Let's go to steel. This will break a lot of things, but we'll see what happens. No, it didn't break it. Weird. Well, we can't make a diamond pick. I was almost certain that bronze ore... Okay, it can. Okay, perfect. So let's go ahead and block that up. Some more obsidian. Alright, well, we'll just make a 9 block hole with it so that we don't have to worry so much. Okay, well, that's fine. Let's go ahead and pick up 3 more buckets. Eventually this won't be an issue, because once we hit lava with our quarry, we'll be swimming in obsidian. But for the time being, we'll make do with what we've got. Okay, now we could put 1 more right there. And that should be okay. Okay, fair enough. Let's break these up. Hopefully this will break all of them, because it takes so long to hammer out. Okay, good. So we picked all those up. That'll be fine. Let's just pour this one out over here in case we need it in the future. And we'll fill that up with that for right now. And we'll put cobblestone over here. Alright, now let's make that enchantment table. The soulbound enchant just uses 1 level. for my research anyway. So we should be okay with using the lowest, using just one level enchants. Okay, so enchantment table. Alright. Oh, we need to make one more book. Unless we've got a book on us. Nope. Okay, so we got 2 blank patterns. Let's make pages first. Okay, 3 pages. 2 blank patterns. String. Come on. String and some paper. Okay, we got a book. Wonderful. And now we just gotta grab those diamonds. Awesome. Diamond on either side. Put in 4 obsidian, so I got 1 extra. And then we just need that book on top. Oh, that's a questing book. Here's a book. Awesome. Enchantment table. So let's go ahead and get ourselves some enchantments. We'll put the enchantment table over next to our over here, because I don't foresee us using it too terribly often. Let's make a chest too, so that we can put all the books that we make in here. So let's 3 of these. Make ourselves another chest. Do some more digging up of forests in a bit, but this will be fine. See if we can get that soul bound so we don't have to keep going back and forth getting our stuff. So let's put in our books. Nope, we want a level 1 enchant. So let's take those out, put another one in. Okay, there's 1. What is that? Power 1. Okay, we don't want power 1. Well, let's try this one. Protection 1. Okay. Oh, that looks like a new one. Is this power 1 again? Nope. Not what we're looking for. Go with the shorter one this time. Sharpness 1. Okay. Okay. Let's see what this one is. Sharpness 1 again. And last one for the time being until we deposit these. Protection 1. Okay, I really hope it's not more than 1 level, but let me take a look. Enchantments. I think there's a key binding for an enchantments thing where it'll list all the enchantments. Okay, X. So let's look at X. Okay. Okay. Exchange energy. I don't care about that. Not commands. What was that again? Key bindings. World. Back. I'm not cheating. I just want to see what the enchantments are. So, if, okay, in inventory. Okay, so back. I can take a look and see enchants. Trying to. Okay, well, let's go to book and try and press enchant. Not book X. Book, enchant. Enchanted, slotted book by me. Okay, well, I guess it's not going to show me those. So let's throw these in here, since we don't need these at all. Let me make sure Ender IO's in here. Yeah, Ender IO is in here, so we should be able to get the enchant. Alright, not a level 2. Come on. Soul Stealer. That's interesting. I'm not sure I'm aware of that one. Soul Stealer again. I'll have to look up what Soul Stealer does. I think that's one that we had before. Nope, 3 soul stealers in a row. Sharpness. Nope. Alright, let's take that one. Last but not least, sharpness. No, you keep giving me high level spells. Okay, I'm gonna look up Soul Stealer real quick. Alright, yep, so apparently we're just supposed to enchant a ton of book. The Soul Stealer apparently gives you more souls if you kill things with it. Usually it's with the Vile Sword. Yep, so we just need to make more and more books. So we've got our lumber axe down there, so we can go ahead and do that. Let's plant this sugar cane over here so we can get some more stuff. Because why not? Because we need more anyway. And we'll place this one. Nothing, not around there. Place this one right there. Why not? Oh, it has to be non-tilled ground. My bad. Okay, put that down. And then we'll put this on over. Perfect. Get some more reeds. Just so we can have some more grub. Let me get rid of the lapis stuff soon. But that's fine. Let's go ahead and put some more of our wool in here, because, or not marble, we want more wool. So I guess we should shear to get, oh, I hate shearing. Well, let's shear and get what we've got. We just don't want to lose any more sheep. Not going in, not losing you guys. So we'll just lose that extra wool. Let's throw these wool in there, get us some more string. Head to bed, and then we can go get some more wood in the morning. But it is nice to have the golden bag of holding now. So thanks to EasyTerry3 for suggesting that. And I'm digging the caches. So let's get on out of here. Come on. Bound. Oh my gosh. Track. Just get, I guess. I don't see any skeletons that are prevalently obvious. So let's just